Firestop is widely recognized as one of the most misapplied and misunderstood segments in life safety in modern construction, especially with the constant changes made to voice and data cabling. Every Firestop manufacturer has an Intumescent sealant, but ours may be the most versatile, with over 500 UL systems tested for use in through penetration and construction joint configurations. When installing LCI or any other Firestop sealant for that matter, it is best practice to 1. Start with a system. All Firestop products must be installed in conformance to listed Firestop systems. Number 2, clean out the opening. All drywall compound, gypsum dust, concrete dust, loose mortar, etc. should be cleaned out of the opening for 2 primary reasons. 1, so you can be sure the hole size and annular space are correct, and 2, so the sealant can adhere well to the opening and the penetrating item. Number 3, you're going to want to verify all of the details in the UL system. For instance, the type of barrier and the hourly rating, the type of penetrance, the maximum hole size, the maximum penetrant size, annular space, minimum and maximums. Is there a sleeve, a coupling? Is the penetrant on an angle? If there's not a system that matches the field application, then an engineering judgment may need to be issued by the Firestop manufacturer. Number 4, install mineral wool if the system requires it. Mineral wool must be tightly packed as a permanent form. It should never move when you push it. Number 5, install the sealant. Sealant must be in the plane of the wall or floor completely and fill the annular space. Firestop material just smeared on the surface or piled up across the face of the opening will fail inspection and will fail during a fire. Number 6, tool the sealant and apply a label if required. Although not a requirement per the system, sealant should be tooled to ensure proper depth of annular space, proper adhesion to the penetrant, proper adhesion to the substrate, and a complete coverage of the annular space. In the meantime, for more information, please visit www.stifirestop.com.